Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll share with you another browser extension based airdrop called Toggle, which is similar to Grass and NotePay. So basically you just add the extension to your browser and there's not much else to do. The funding and other details of this airdrop are not revealed yet, but it's confirmed airdrop, so I think you should join. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have around 40k followers at the time of making this video, and they are active, which is a positive sign for an airdrop. If you want the latest updates on crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. Also check out our blog where we publish all the latest crypto and airdrops related articles. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Now to join the airdrop, first you need to download the browser extension. I'll provide the link in the description. So simply click add to Chrome and install it. Now you need to open the extension. You need to register an account. So fill up the form. Agree the terms and click the register button. Then you need to verify email. So go to your email. Click verify. So our email has verified, and now click here and log into your account. And it's done. Now open the extension. As you can see, it's running and counting points. In the referral section, you can share your link with your friends to boost your points. And in the reward section, there's nothing yet, but here you can do a quick survey here to earn some points. So there's not much else to do. I'll provide all the updates for this airdrop over the time, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.